Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna show you how to change oil on a Ram 3500 with a Hemi. It's a gas engine. So first of all, they recommend if you do severe duty work, change it every 5,000 kilometers, which is basically like any type of work like towing and whatnot, or like if you're hauling a lot of stuff, you should probably change it more often because it has hydraulics in the engine, and that's the only way how to keep it running. You're going to need a new engine oil filter. Here's the part number. You're going to need the tool, the oil, and you will need a 1/2 inch socket to unscrew the plug. So the plug is located right underneath the car over here. You need to drain that. I will show that in a second. First of all, you're gonna find there's a drain plug right here, so that's a 1/2 inch. You're gonna unscrew that, drain all the oil out, put it back in. Okay, so let's begin the process. So it has quite a bit of oil inside, so you're going to need a spare bucket or something like that just in case it overflows. So I will okay. I like to hold it up a little bit so you don't spill. And the trick, you push in the plug so it doesn't drip, and then you can take it away in a second and you'll have zero spill. Right here, see, minimal damage, and it's very liquid, so you have to keep that in mind. And don't forget, there's going to be a lot of coming out. So be prepared. Now we'll switch. Yep. So now you wait until it drains. Okay, so now after it's fully drained, you want to reinstall the bolt. Sometimes they replace them, but this one doesn't have a gasket, so it's not necessary. In terms of tightness of spec, you can do it up to the German spec, good and tight, and it will do the trick, especially if you do a lot of driving and your driving is mostly work. You'll be down here quite often. Save a few dollars on the oil changes, because to do it by yourself is around 150 Canadian dollars. And I heard if you go to dealer to do this, it's going to be around $320 in Canada. We're located in Ontario, so you're saving quite a bit of money for what is like 20 minutes of work. Okay, so here is right there, it's the oil filter right here. So you're gonna unscrew that. It's fairly convenient in comparison to, I don't know if you ever did the oil change on the Ford F-150, especially in 2011. Those are fairly hard, so like that's the one right here. You're gonna unscrew that one and change it. Don't forget to lube up with oil the O-ring so it comes off easy next time you do it. I'll try to show it as best as I can how to take off the filter. I don't think it's going to be very visible, but I'll try my best. There we go. Can't really see it. I don't think so. But it's going slowly. And I'm pretty sure that the 5.7 Hemi and the 6.4 Hemi filters. Don't forget to catch the oil that's dripping. Yeah, as far as I'm concerned, I think the filters, the engine oil filters, are the same. I like to use the a little bit higher and filters, because it's the price difference is like $5 to $10, and then it's a peace of mind, because you know the engine itself is like, I don't know, upwards of $10,000 plus labor, and that's something you can't really do yourself. And then it's just like small preventative maintenance that you probably should consider doing, especially for the price. It's not crucial. And as you can see, they use the authentic Mopar filter, which is always recommended. I don't have access to them, so I use the Castrol, or sorry, no, Mobile. Okay, so here's where you're gonna unscrew this. So if you have the truck lifted up a little bit, it's going to be quite hard. I am about 6'4", and I still have to use a little stool to reach it. The engine takes about 7 quarts of engine oil, so it's fairly thirsty. Another thing about the oil filter, do not tighten it with the tool, only tighten it by hand, because if it gets caked on and you get rid of all the oil in between the gasket and the seal, you're gonna have the hardest time ever to take it off. It's gonna be caked on and it's just gonna be cooked on it, and it's gonna melt, and well, you're gonna hate yourself for that. Other than that, all you have left to do is to refill this, reset the oil life on the computer, and you're good to go. I will show you in a second how to reset the computer. Today I'll show you how to reset the oil life computer on the Ram 3500 or 2500, 2019 and up. So you want to press the button. So the engine will be running. So the engine is not supposed to run, but the computer is supposed to be on. And then you will press the accelerator 3 times to the floor. 1, 2, 3. The light will be reset. Let's start the car now and check it out. Gauge summary. Okay, let it focus. Okay, now we go. Oil life 100%. That's how you do it.